Hello, my fabulous ones. This is Lynette from Knit So Fabulous. Today I want to show you how to wear the Knit So Fabulous mask. When it comes to you, it's pleated and folded like this. Cloth ties to help you with adjusting and a nose wire. What I like to do is bend my wire a little bit first, place it on my nose, pinch, bring the ties over the ears, up around to the back, tie, not too tight, just tight enough to hold on, and then for the pleats, pull the pleats, pull all the pleats because it makes a dome if you pull it. What I like to do is pinch till it's like a triangle, push down, find a good space. I pull this around, like I bend it like that. Then it's time for this bit. If you're fashionable and have earrings on, I recommend that you put the earrings on the outside and you tie the back, not too tight, just enough so that it's secure, and you can do like this. Now, a trick I found is if it's touching your lips, open up your pleats, squeeze the fabric, and then that's it. That is how you put on the Knit So Fabulous face mask. You can see my lips moving. Thank you so much. Stay fabulous. Ciao.